just do it. If you want to do it, just do it. Just have that sense that you want to have. Yeah, just have it. Don't be too afraid to do it. Maybe you're afraid of what your parents should do. You're afraid of what the society will say about you. But the question is, do you want to have that sex? If you want to have it, then do it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Sex is not a competition. Sex is a decision. If you want to have it, if you want to do it, then go ahead and do it. Yes, go ahead and do it. As long as that is what you have decided, as long as that is the decision that you have made for yourself, that I want to do this, just do it. But if you know that you don't want to do it, maybe you just want to do it because your boyfriend wants you to do it, that is where you're going to make mistakes, because that is a decision. And nobody should make that decision for you apart from yourself. If you want to have sex, have it when you feel like it is important, when you feel like I am ready to do it. If you have sex when you are not ready, trust me, you are going to regret it for the rest of your life. Don't go out there to have sex because your friend is having sex. Don't have sex because your boyfriend wants you to have sex. Don't do that. Don't have sex because of peer pressure. Don't have sex because people are, seeing you as somebody who is not capable. Like I said, sex is a decision. If you want to make a decision that, okay, I'm ready to have sex, just know that when you're making the decision that your brain, yourself, your soul, everything in you agreed to that. Don't do things because people are doing it. Do it because you want to do it. Yes. Sex is not a competition. You are not competing anything with anybody. It's your body. When you feel like you do it. And I know most of you will be like, oh, I don't want to have sex yet. If you don't want to have sex yet, it's fine. Keep yourself. It's your decision. Nobody's going to beat you. If your boyfriend doesn't want that for you, then you should leave. Some of you will be like, oh, I want to have sex because my boyfriend wants me to have sex. If I don't have it, he's going to leave me. Okay, let him leave. As long as you made the decision that you are not ready, let him leave. He's not the only man in the whole world. You don't even know if God is giving you from him. If he doesn't want to have patience with you, if he doesn't want to exercise patience with you and wait until you are ready to have the sex, then he should leave. Let me tell you all, sex does not complete relationship. Sex does not keep a man in a relationship. Yeah. Sex does not keep a man in a relationship. It doesn't complete a relationship. If sex actually does complete a relationship, then maybe we might not have we might not be experiencing this divorce things. No matter any kind of position you give to a man, that could not guarantee that man is going to be with you forever. No matter the kind of position no matter the kind of sex position you give to a man, that does not mean that man loves you. That does not mean that man is going to stay with you in that relationship. Yes. So, baby girl, just chill out. Don't kill yourself with pressure of, oh God, I want to have sex at this age. Yeah, there's no age that is meant to have sex. Yeah. People have sex in when they were in their 10 years, 12 years, 18 years, 16 years, 20 years, 25 years, 30 years. There is no particular year for sex. Don't let the people, don't let your peers frustrate you into doing something that you regret for the rest of your life. Some of you don't know that there are spiritual things that come with sex. Yes. So when you're having sex, when you want to have sex, make sure, that's why I say make sure you are ready and make sure that you are having the sex with someone that you love. Yeah, someone that is worth it. Because it's not anybody that wants your body. Trust me, it's not anybody that wants your body. So when you are ready, baby girl, when you are ready, do it with that person that you know that, okay, this person actually deserves it. This person actually wants what what having sex with. Don't do it because they want me to do it. Don't do that. Nobody cares so much about you. So do it because you want to have sex. Sex is not a bad thing. Yeah, it's not a bad thing. The bad thing there is if you're not ready and you now went and do it, that is now where it becomes a bad thing. But if you're ready and if you know what you are taking yourself into, trust me, you won't regret it. Some of us have made a lot of bad mistakes in our past just because we were never ready. Or maybe we just want to please our boyfriend, we just want to please the society, we just want to meet up with peer pressure and everything. And we went out. We went and do what we don't want to do with the wrong people, with the wrong men. And it's hurting us up to today. Before you have sex, make sure you are ready. Make sure that that person that you want to have that in is matured enough. Yes, make sure that that person is very much matured enough. Okay? So, if you want to do it, just go out there. Do it with your sense. Do it when the whole of you agree that you are going to do it. Don't do it because you are in a critical situation and you just want to do it. Don't do it because other people are doing it. Don't do it because people see you as timid. Don't do it because people see you as somebody who is not in the fashion or somebody who is not in the game. No. Like I said, sex is not competition and sex is meant to be enjoyed with the right person, especially us women. Because whenever we have sex with somebody, we get to be attached to that person. But when we do this sex without somebody that we don't even love, or somebody we are not even attached to, we find it very difficult to heal or move on if any negative things comes out from that relationship. So what am I saying? I'm saying if you want to have sex, just have it. But make sure that you are ready to do it, girl. But if you don't want to have it, don't have it. It's your choice. It's your choice. Okay? So it's not a bad thing. You are not the first and you will never be the last to do it. And you are not the first and you will never be the last person not to do it. So it's left for you. Okay? How, how many sex? Doesn't make sense. Does it?